Today's the day. I am taking this Raptor because it is shuddering every time I hit the brakes. And if you watch this, you'll see that I have potentially really bad brakes in the back, maybe bad rotors. We're gonna find out, but we're gonna take off everything, see what we have up against, and then go from there. But from now, how hard can this be? Let's go replace the brakes. Got all the tires off. These things are massive and heavy, but I love them. But what we're looking at here is very little, it's hard to see, but very little brake pad left, which is fine. Still plenty there, but listen to this. Hear that grinding? So I'm thinking this may have warped just a little, and that's all right. For safety, I'm going to replace the calipers or the rotors and all the pads today. So let's first start taking off everything. Don't let anything hang. So we're gonna support it by hanging it by something up here. But yeah, can't be that hard. Just a simple brake job to stop some vibration. So got the caliper off, that was super easy. I used a 17 open-end wrench to hold this with a 13mm nut on the back. So just do that, hang it off. I have it zip tied, no pressure on this, you don't want to do that. And then these just pop right out. These are pretty thin. Doesn't look like it's wearing evenly either. It's smaller over here. So I'm just going to be able to grease these, make sure that these are all working and sliding as they should. Take this off, take the carrier off here with some bolts on the back, and then hopefully this rotor will come right off. Got me some new rotors and some new pads, but right now I'm going to use some brake clean these things up before I put them on right here. So I always recommend doing that. You never know what's left on there. So just a little bit of this, wipe it down, and let's put them back on. And just like that, we got new rotors on. I greased the back of each of the pads, making sure I didn't get any on the actual pad. Bolted these up. These are 17mm and a 13, and then rock and roll with these back here. So very easy. As you saw, I zip tied it back here, and this is the grease that I'm using. Permatex. I love it. So I'm gonna go take this for a test drive. Let's hope this fixes my issue, because it was getting pretty bad. Cross my fingers. Man, driving it around now is a pleasure. Changing those rear brake pads and those rotors did the trick. I can stop without shaking. Nobody makes any comments in the car. You know it's bad when everybody else is making comments about, why is the car shaking? So just like this, stopping straight, no hands. It's wonderful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any shaking, it can only be a few number of things, suspension or brakes. So, hey, brakes it is. I hope you guys liked it. I'll catch you next time.